Now let's move on to the pistil stitch. It's quite similar to the French knot stitch, but there is a slight difference. The color we used for the middle part is 4 strands of floss, color number 2. Insert the needle in the middle position. Then hold the floss in your left hand. Our right hand holds the needle. Make 2 loops around this section. Then point the needle towards this small circle. When you insert the needle, we must press this knot onto the fabric. Once it's pressed tightly, you can pull the needle out from the back. Slowly, the knot will tightly attach to the fabric. All right, let's continue with the second one. Wrap the floss around twice. Point the needle downwards. For the last stitch, make 2 loops. And that's how it's done. Now, let's continue to use color number 4 to embroider the same pattern. Let's take another look at the demonstration. Insert the needle at the midpoint. Then make 2 loops first. Bring the needle down. The floss must be balanced before pulling it through. The pistil stitch is now finished. It is an evolution of the French knot stitch, so this stitch isn't considered difficult.